If f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6, and g of x is equal to 7x minus 3, find each of the following. Now let's subtract these functions and find f minus g of x. First, go ahead and write that as f of x minus g of x. Now let's substitute in our function values. F of x is negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. From that we'll subtract g of x, which is 7x minus 3. Be sure to open a set of parentheses here and remember to distribute that minus sign now to each term. Let's go ahead and do that. We can write f of x without these parentheses as negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. Distributing now, we have a minus 7x and plus 3. Combine your like terms, so out in front, negative 2x squared, positive 5x, and a negative 7x is a negative 2x. Negative 6 and positive 3 is a negative 3. So f minus g of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 2x minus 3.